This is the go-to Trimo pool table cleaning kit. Now, overall, this thing works pretty well, but it does have a small problem, so let me give you a closer look at it. Alright, so this comes with a microfiber cloth to clean off pool cues. Nothing too special here, but it works just fine. There's these two polishing pads, and they're basically just really fine rolls of steel wool. And these work pretty well for polishing or cleaning up any dirty bits of metal. But then for the main tools in this kit, there's a 4-inch bristle brush. The bristles could be a little bit longer to make it a bit easier, but for the most part, it works just fine. Next up, there's this larger flat brush, and I'm not really sure about the design of this. I'm not sure why there's two different heights of the bristles. But once again, still works just fine, and it makes it pretty easy to sweep off any larger particles on the top of the pool table. I do think a vacuum might be a bit quicker or easier, but for a brush, it works fine. Now, the last tool in this kit is the lint roller, and this is the tool that I do have a little bit of a problem with. It works just like any other lint roller with just these rolls of sticky paper that you can pull off, and they are plenty sticky enough. They do pick up debris on the table just fine, but it feels pretty cheap. It's just made of plastic. It's also pretty small in comparison to the table. And then probably the biggest problem, the roller does wobble around a bit, so if you push too hard, it will pop out of place. It does still work all right. It picks things up just fine, nice and sticky, but it does take a while to use, and you have to be a little bit lighter when using it so it doesn't fall apart. But anyway, overall, for a cheap kit like this, I think you get some okay value here. The brushes work pretty well. The lint roller is a bit disappointing, but it still works. And I guess the cloth and polishing pads are a nice addition as well.